Two men, one mission. A race to repair a pontoon lift before the spring ice breakup. It's January in Minnesota. The temp is 10 above Fahrenheit. Will they finish the job in time or part ways defeated? Welcome to Watch Matt Work, Episode 3.
All right, welcome back for another episode. It's been probably 2 years since we put out a Watch Matt Work, but this is just a perfect opportunity. So we're going to be working on this pontoon lift. Matt, can you kind of explain what happened with the pontoon lift?
So kind of it was clunking when you wheel it up, and then the last straw it was so it dropped and the chain fell off, and then we tried to put the chain back on. That didn't work. It was something else with the mechanism inside there that broke.
All right, well, Matt's going to fix this thing, so let's watch. Okay, this is the root of our problem right now. I'm going to have Matt pull the bolt out of there so we can get a closer look. Okay, let's get a nice close look at this. This is a brass bushing that bolt rides on, and you can see the bottom of that bushing is worn completely through, and in fact it's actually started wearing into the aluminum body on this lift. Let's take a peek inside. So we've got a couple of chains. This chain right here, the upper chain, is the one that came off because this piece, let's see if I can show you this. Yeah, it basically tilted and got it crooked. So that's what we're going to work on. Okay, we need to get this off so that we can pull the bushing out because the bushing goes in from behind. So let's pull that bolt off the back. Okay. Good, we got it. Here we go. We're going to pull these chains off.
This one?
Yep. Just lift up on that, slide it to the side. There we go.
You want this one?
Let's see if we can get the upper chain next. All right.
Ready?
Okay, instead of unhooking the chains, we're just going to tap it through if we can. There, we got it. Let's have a good look at that now. You flip it over. Ooh. Yeah, she's fried.
This is what it's supposed to look like.
All right. And Matt, how much did that part cost you?
About $4.
$4. So here's the cool part. This lift is made by Hewitt, and it's a local Minnesota company. They're based out of Nicollet, Minnesota. And I was able to run down there when I was in the neighborhood and actually buy that and pick it up in person. So now the next thing we need to look at, we could drop this bushing in here, but you can tell where that bushing went out, it's kind of worn through the aluminum. What I'd like to do is actually fill this aluminum in so that, and then we'll kind of re-contour it so that we can get that next bushing in.
Ready?
Yep. All right, we're just going to fill in just this little edge right here, but it'll take a bit to heat it up, so let's go for it. Getting there, you can see it start to flow. Okay, that's good. Ooh, it's hot. Keep it going. High up here on top, yep. Yep, coming along. Getting close. All right, Matt's never used a die grinder before, so we're going to start, do a little practice here on this scrap piece of aluminum. Go ahead, Matt. Very gently. What do you think? You got the hang of
Good,
it?
you just got to move fast.
Hey, Matt, let's go. Straight up and down. Very gentle. You don't have to push hard. Let's try it. I'm going to put this screwdriver through here to grab it when it comes through. Okay.
Got it?
We got that. I don't know if we're lined up, Matt. No, we're pretty close. Okay. Whoop, I had it.
You're not on it. There, now you are. Want me to let go?
Yep, you can let go.
There we go.
Okay, now swing this camera around the front. Can you look in the viewfinder and see if you're on that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's pop it through. There. We got it. Okay, we're going to get this thing lined up. We get that one first. Just thread it in lightly. Oops, you missed it. That's hot.
It is a little hot.
It is this whole housing is extremely warm. Let me get it lined up. Hold on. Oh, we're almost losing that. Let's get that pry bar again. Right here.
Yeah.
So we don't lose it. There. Okay. Okay, Matt, run it in there. As long as we get it started for now. Okay, that's a good start.
Want to do the back one?
Now we're going to swing the one around the back and do the same thing. Okay. Okay. Okay, we got the top chain on. That looks good. The bottom chain is not, but I think by just rotating this wheel, we can get that on there. So I'd say, Matt, run it backwards. Nope, the other way. Keep going. And we've got this part on already. That part should thread on there if we just keep going.
It's going.
Keep her going. We're almost there. Okay.
There we're on.
Okay, try both ways and let's see if it stays.
That way?
That looks good. All right. We should be able to tighten these bolts up now.
Do you want me to do this one first?
Yeah, go ahead and snug them up. Okay. Looks good.
Looks good.
Last thing to do here is get some oil on these chains. They're really dry. So we're going to just use a little bit of bar and chain oil. So go ahead and I'm going to run it and we'll just drizzle it on there real slow. Keep going. Yes. Okay, let's put it on that bottom chain too now. Great. Let's go put this thing back on. Well, Matt decided we should go ahead and install this thing on the lift because it's already above single-digit weather, so why not work outside for a while? Yeah, good move, Matt. Okay, here he comes now. Let's get this thing installed and get back where it's warm. Okay, before we put this up, let's get the cable attached. So that's going to go, let's see, right there.
You go start a bonfire.
Okay, Matt, can you pull some cable?
You want me?
Yeah, we need 7/16. All right, let's bring it down.
Let me get down there.
It's gonna go, I guess, right there. I gotta loosen that up just a little bit. Okay. Get it started. You can just go ahead and snug it up. Okay. Look down there so you can see what you're doing.
What do I hook it to? This?
Yep, that's the one.
This one?
Yep. Yeah, just get your finger in there and flatten it out a little bit, and then you should be able to snug it up.
Can't do it with gloves.
No. Now you're going the wrong way, I think. Flip it, just flip the wrench over and then try it again. There. Is it going the right way?
Yes.
Now it should be able to ratchet. Just run it back and forth now. There you go. Snug her down good. Use your man muscles, Matt. All right.
Should be tight.
Okay. Now we got to hoist it up here. Let's see. We happy with that? Yeah. I'll put my gloves on. You can put the bolts in. I'll get it on where it needs to go, and then you bolt it up. How's that sound? 9/16. Hang on. We need a wrench. There it is. Okay. You're gonna need that.
You can't use gloves.
There we go. Turn it around. Now we got to make sure that we got this going the right way.
Doesn't matter what bolts. They're both the one's bigger than the other. This one was this one. Doesn't matter.
Get that. You need that aluminum plate on there, Matt.
One goes in the front, right?
Yep.
One goes here.
Yep.
And then this one goes on that side.
No, it's going to go on the inside.
Inside.
Yep. No, don't. I'll hold that for now. Just run it through.
So we gotta.
You go ahead and make sure it's on tight before you pull the trigger. Just grab it. Go ahead and tighten. Okay. It's on tight.
Which one do you want to do?
Let's do the top one first, just to make sure.
Ready?
Yep. Go ahead. Okay. Hold on.
Bottom one?
Now go. Good.
Good. Did I hold the wire?
All right, I think that's a successful fix. Nice job, Matt.
Thanks.
I think that's going to be it now for this episode. And maybe we'll see you again sometime in the summer for episode 4 of Watch Matt Work. Thanks for joining us. Say goodbye, Matt.
Bye.